So the tyres on the 7/8 are wearing a bit too much on the outside. And the problem with that is these track rods are a bit worn. They aren't too bad, there's a bit of wear in them, a 20-year-old really. So going down the road, instead of the wheel going straight, it'll be pulling outwards a bit with wear. So give it some new ones. Only snag is this side is actually welded around it, and I reckon it's probably a factory weld because it's quite a nice tidy weld really. Because it's bent, I've marked this side as well, just to make sure really. But this side is actually threaded out of the nut there, so this side will be pretty easy to change, but I'll have to pull it all out to weld that side. So got the old one off, and you can see the New Holland logo on it, so it's a original one. Welded a new one on, and took the rubber boot off so it wouldn't melt obviously, and give it a coat over the ruck side while it's still hot. Still a bit hot now, but it'll be fine. It was actually threaded inside there, but we welded it because there's a kink in it, so you can never actually turn it the wrong way. So we just need to slacken the other side out, that screw unscrews out, and change that again. So on the old ones, I measure from the centre here to the pipe, and I've set these new ones exactly the same place really. Back to the same place, I've given a coat of the ruck side now, and after this I'll give it a coat of a New Holland grey, just to make it look nicely. I've done the other side as well really. I see I've used a plastic cover that came with them to actually mask off the rubber underneath, so quite handy really. So while taking the track rod off, notice there's some play in the joints in the ram there, so we'll have to change those again. So what actually holds the ball joints inside the ends of the ram, so this end and the end there, is two snap rings. You see there's one here, then there, and we removed one from that groove there. You only have to take one out, so you actually hit it out. And it's quite a mission to actually get one out really, quite fiddly. So we got that now and took them out. So that's what the joint is. Here's the old one, you can see it's dropping about to there. And here's a new one. So there's 4 of these on the front of the tractor now, one each side of the ram. So actually got a few goodies here for 7/8. So top and bottom hoses, new fan belt, the steering pins, bushes and ends, new wheel bearing for the right hand side. I have a seal as well, but it's in this box then. But yeah, fair bit of little jobs to do in it.